Get ready to revitalize your hair with the Enjoy Reconstructive Conditioning Treatment, the ultimate solution for buildup and restoring hair health. For those with excess buildup, start by wetting the hair. Then spray the Enjoy Clarifying Spray generously throughout the hair, ensuring even coverage. There's no need to rinse this out. Next, shampoo the hair with the Enjoy Balancing Shampoo. Focusing on the scalp area, shampoo twice if necessary, being careful not to over-scrub the scalp. You'll know your hair is clean when the shampoo foams. Rinse thoroughly to remove all traces of product buildup. If you have light to medium buildup, wet your hair and wash with the Enjoy Clarifying Shampoo. Cleanse your hair and scalp thoroughly, shampooing twice if needed. Again, avoid over-scrubbing the scalp and rinse thoroughly once the shampoo foams. After your proper shampooing, it's time to nourish and reconstruct your hair. Spray the Enjoy Intensive Reconstructing Spray generously throughout your hair, ensuring even coverage from roots to ends. This concentrated reconstructor is packed with protein to strengthen and revitalize your strands. Next, apply the Enjoy hair mask to the mid-lengths and ends of your hair, combing through for even distribution. Leave the mask on for 2 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For a deeper penetration, use a processing cap and apply heat for 5 to 10 additional minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Towel dry your hair and spray the Enjoy Conditioning Spray throughout, then gently comb through to detangle and condition. For the finishing touch, pour a small amount of the Enjoy Hair and Skin Treatment Oil or the Enjoy Intense Hair and Skin Treatment Oil into your hands and apply to damp hair. Style as desired and enjoy hair that's rejuvenated, revitalized, and ready to conquer the day.